This was the room I had at the Marina Bay. Nice widescreen TV, deck out the window there. Very comfortable bed, shower, lots of space. The one thing I would say is that when you close the window there, close the blinds rather, there's not a lot of light in this room. Let's take a look out here on the balcony. Comfortable chairs. A couple pools over there. The ocean's over there. Let's see if I go down so you can see the ocean a little better. Big facility here. Let's go on up to the front desk. Okay, we're heading out of the room I was assigned. Let's go out here to the end of the hallway, check out the view. Oh wow, look at this. Got the ocean right there. That is actually the South China Sea, I should say. Cloudy day, a little bit of a breeze. Some nice flowers on the trees. All right, head on down to the lobby here. Actually, I think we'll go and grab a cup of coffee. Let's do that. We've got about an hour before I need to turn in my key and leave the resort. Job. This is side. A lot of walking area. It's a big resort. They are very busy during the weekends, just FYI. During the week, it's very quiet here. I think there were maybe 10 people at breakfast this morning. This sign over here will give you an idea how big it is. Here we go. So I was in, there we go, Bungalow 1 there. Public beach. And then this is all the buildings they have over here. And then we got a restaurant, a ballroom. See there, there's actually a seafood restaurant further down, reception, a couple of pools, a freshwater and a seawater pool. Let's go inside. There's the pools there. Marina Bay. In the evenings, I've got someone up here that'll do mixed drinks for you. Business area, buy some souvenirs, pizza, billiard table. And they do have a spa. If you're staying here, the spa is free. That's pretty nice. Going down here now to get a coffee. Towels for the pool. Lots of seating outside, indoors. Just really nice. And the bed was very comfortable. It's very quiet here at night. Excellent stay. I can't complain. Let's check out the buffet. Lots of, it's a good mix of food. Fruits, Vietnamese, veggies. I got pizza and fries up here. I have a little bit of cereal even. Breads. I'm gonna get a cup of coffee. I will say, I wish they had bigger coffee mugs. This is what they've got, kind of small. There we go. Let's grab a latte. I'll start here in a second. Okay. Okay. Oh, there it goes. So you can get you an omelet up here, sunny side eggs, fried eggs, whatever you want. Yogurt. From here, we're going to go on up to the reception area. Okay, let's head on up to the reception area. Buffet's pretty good at this place. Of course, I could have had a waffle or pancake. That'd have been perfect. I'd been like living at large then, but it's Vietnam. So to get to the reception area, now all this, all the restaurants, all the facilities are on the first floor. We have to go up. We're going up to the second floor, and that is where you see the pizzas that they have. All right, here we are. Let's go up to the second floor. Nice advertising. Sometimes there's some music playing too. That's kind of neat. Hi. All right, here is the second floor, and this is reception. Ah, oh, nice and cool up here. Marina Bay. There's a reception desk over there. Very nice people. There's some awards that they've won. I'm good. And this is the front. This is the front area. You pull up, and there's some parking over there. If you're driving your own vehicle or a motorcycle, you can park over there. It's a sign from Marina Bay. Like I said, it is a vast facility. You can actually rent bicycles over there if you want. And it is safe to ride a bicycle around here, especially early in the morning. If you want to rent one, I would suggest renting it very early and maybe being done by about 9 o'clock. There's the front of the facility there. Okay, so I think that's a good overview. If you have any questions about spa or anything like that, or Marina Bay in general, feel free to put them down below. I'll be happy to answer them. Overall, I give this place 4 out of 5 stars. Very comfortable, very nice people, and no issues whatsoever.